Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Nvidia Game Ready and Studio driver, which has caused quite a few issues for Windows users. And in this video, we're going to talk about everything that there is to it, what is the new update, what issues it has caused, and what it can do in case you installed this update whenever it was released. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. So first of all, yesterday, Nvidia released the GeForce driver 595.59, and this is a new driver that should optimize the system for the Resident Evil Requiem, and also it is featuring immersive path tracing, DLSS 4 with multi-frame generation, and DLSS ray reconstruction. There are also a few fixes related to general and gaming bugs that were applied in this new driver update. These are overall quite a few good bugs that were fixed, and we also have an official article from the official Nvidia website related to this new driver, because apparently it's quite a big one related to Resident Evil and these DLSS features. Well, just after a few hours from release, Nvidia updated their original article with the above statement. February 26, 11 AM update. We have discovered a bug in the Game Ready and Studio 595.59 drivers and have removed the downloads temporarily while our team investigates. For users that have already installed this driver and are experiencing issues with fan control, please roll back to the previous driver, which is 591.86. Nvidia app users can reinstall their previous driver by clicking the three dots in the drivers tab. So this fan control issue is one of the main issues with this update, but there are also other issues that I'm going to show you in this video. This is the official page for the driver, and as you can see, it has been removed from the Nvidia website, and you can also no longer get it through the Nvidia app. On Reddit, you're going to be able to see multiple people that are showing the fact that one fan or two fan sensors are no longer working on the GPU after this driver update. You can see an example here. Fan control failed to initialize, and the fan 1 and 2 controllers are no longer working, and the fan control app cannot find them. So this is quite a big issue because this can cause overheating issues with your GPU. And of course, if you want to scroll through the comments, even on the forum or even on Reddit, we're going to see comments like this: 2 or 1 fans out of 3 aren't working on my GPU after installing this update. So this is quite a big issue. Also, Unico's Hardware on Twitter or X.com has provided a few other insights related to this new driver update. It can cause YouTube freezes, HDR 144Hz failing, GPU fan stop spinning, voltage locked to 0.9 volts, huge gaming performance loss, and so on. The only good news related to this new driver update is that it has been online just a few hours, so I'm sure that not everyone managed to install it. Even me, I didn't install it. I usually just wait a bit until installing Nvidia drivers, and I recommend you do the same. But if there are people that installed this driver and are encountering issues or are afraid that they will encounter issues, you can roll back to the previous driver very easily. I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to have to open up the Nvidia app on your Windows operating system, and then from here go into the drivers tab in the left side and check what driver you have installed. And you can see here if you're up to date and what version you have installed. I have here the previous driver installed, 591.86. If here it says that you are up to date and you have the 595.59 driver installed, which is causing issues, make sure to scroll down, and here you're going to have the section previously installed, the previously installed driver that you had. Click on these three dots and then click on reinstall to basically roll back to the previous driver that you had installed on your system, and this way you should fix the issue. You can also see multiple details about the previous driver that you had installed, so I think this is a very easy way to roll back to the previous driver. As I've said, if you are encountering issues or if you are afraid you're going to encounter performance loss in gaming or the fan control issues, which are quite a huge thing in my opinion, because if your GPU overheats, it can cause permanent damage. So this is pretty much everything that you need to know related to the latest Nvidia driver. It has caused problems, it has been removed by Nvidia, but if you manage to install it, I would strongly recommend you roll back to the previous driver so that you don't encounter any additional issues. More info you're going to have in the article below or on the official Nvidia website if you want to check them out. And of course, I'm looking forward to your comments. Please let me know if any of you managed to install this driver update and if you encountered any issues. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.